Hi guys, just a short video to show you my new license plate guitar build. This one is not made from a cigar box, but from a body I made myself with the help of my Gatton CNC. It started out as a 2x12 piece of southern yellow pine that I milled out to a box shape. It's got a bunch of parts that I purchased from CB Gitty, such as this beautiful white oak neck with a Paduk fretboard, or if you want to mispronounce it, you can call it Paduk. It has a single coil pickup with volume and tone control that I mounted on top, and you'll see that I had to make a cover plate for them because the wall of the box is so thick, about 3/4 of an inch. I also had to make a cover plate for the output jack. The bridge is a 3-string chrome hardtail roller style from CB Gitty. The license plate is from when Atlanta hosted the 1996 Olympics, which was the Centennial Olympic Games. I kept going back and forth trying to decide which stain to use for this build, and I couldn't decide, so I instead decided to just do a burn with a torch to bring out the grain of the wood, and then add several coats of lacquer with some light sanding in between coats, and I think it turned out pretty cool. I will be building a lot of these in the near future because I've had a few people send me their old license plates that they found while cleaning out their garage, and as you can see, I have a bunch of them. I think for my next build though, I will do one of my single cutaway bodies. My friend Hollis Finn recently finished building one and it looked and sounded fantastic. I'll have a link below in the description to that video if you want to check it out. I want to thank CB Gitty for all the great parts they provide, and especially for all they do for the CBG community. So until next time, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when my next video comes out. We'll see you next time.